So I had this speaker for a while now, the JBL Boombox 4, and it's brilliant. It has all the controls on the top in here, and then you have the play, pause, volume up and down, the JBL logo. And I got this in Camo because it's cheaper, and it was cheaper at that time. That's how it is on the bottom. You can replace the battery, and this is the bass up, or it does deep bass and also bass, normal bass. Bluetooth or a cast to turn it on and off. And yeah, looks quite rough. You could probably throw it around and it still works, but obviously you will damage it. So you can adjust a lot from the app. Like you can adjust the sound, like it has an EQ. You can also adjust you can pair it with other speakers via Auracast, and you can also turn off that annoying sound when you turn it on and off, which I did already. So I'm gonna try a few, like a song sample, just to get an idea of how loud it is. And I'm again here, so let's see. Okay, so we're gonna start playing this song, Cradles from NCS, volume up to here, and
I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in the cradles, profanities. I see the through ice covered in ink. Cross up the ones who held the crowds and watch me weep. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush. Take my eyes open to false reality. Why can't you just let me in? I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in the cradles, profanities. Some days I feel skinnier than all the other days. Sometimes I can't tell if nobody belongs to me. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush. And almost wish me reap. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright.
So that's how it sounds, guys. Maximum volume. And I'll put the bass up just so you'll see. When it's maximum, bass up doesn't help.
Take my eyes open to false reality. Spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
Yeah, there you have it, guys. I don't think it does big difference. I don't know, outdoors. It still sounds really nice even with the bass off. So yeah, if you want bass on, I think it sounds the best up to 50% volume. Otherwise, it just lowers the bass anyway. So it's the same as without bass, but even without bass, it sounds really good. So yeah, there you have it, guys. The Boombox 4. Really like this speaker.